Friends, today's topic is gene. It is very important topic for the 12th as well as basic of the genetics. As many chapters of genetics, they are included in the syllabus of 12th. Then question arises, what is gene? Gene, it is a part of DNA which control the specific character of individual or hereditary character, like your color of hair, your skin color, your pattern of hair, means your head, so in some person hairs are straight while in some they are curly, in some the color of hair is silvery, in some the color of hair is dark. Such character they are called as hereditary character. Your height, then your iris color, means your eye color. Aishwarya Rai is having different iris color. We are having different iris color. These all character they are determined by our gene. This term gene coined by scientist Johansen. Then Mendel called this gene as a factor as he didn't know the chemical nature of the gene. He called it as a factor. According to Mendel, factor, it is something which is present in organism and control the character of organism, that something is a factor, and he designated it by a letter. But after some experiment, it was proved that gene they are made up of DNA. Means a part of DNA controlling specific character of individual, it is a gene. And the gene they are arranged in linear manner. They are arranged linearly. There is specific position of gene, and that specific position of gene on a chromosome, it is called as locus. Remember this, locus. That is a position of gene on a chromosome. These filamentous bodies they are called as chromosome, and these are present in nucleus. These are chromatic thread which coil to form chromosome during the cell division, and the position of gene on a chromosome, it is called as locus. According to the modern concept, there are three terms for gene, that is cistron, recon, muton. Cistron means unit of function. All our function they are carried by gene. Means suppose there is a process of digestion. It requires enzyme. At specific time, these enzymes they are secreted and they help in the process of digestion. That means the gene they are unit of function. That specific gene work for that formation of that enzyme. Suppose there is secretion of insulin, means a specific insulin synthesizing gene is there which work to form the insulin. Thus, a gene is a unit of function. Second, it is also called as recon, means unit of recombination. What is recombination? A process of mixing and reshuffling of gene is called as recombination. And when it occurs during the cell division. Suppose this is one chromosome and this is the another chromosome. One we got from father and one we got from mother. The crossover during the cell division, and this crossing, during this crossing there is mixing and reshuffling of gene, and this is called as recombination. The process of mixing and reshuffling of gene is called as recombination. So due to this we are different from our parent, or our brother and sister, they are not exactly like us, means they are different from us except twins, monozygotic twins, means twins which develop from single zygote, they are called as monozygotic twins, which are identical. But remaining siblings, they are not identical to us, and this is due to the recombination. Means genes, they get mixed during the process of fertilization and they reshuffle, and this is the recombination. Then third term, that is mutant, means it is a unit of mutation. Then question arises, what is mutation? Sudden change in genetic material is called as mutation. For example, here there are 3 alphabets A, R, T. If we change the sequence, we get 3 different words. First, art. Second, tar. Third, rat. Means due to change in sequence, meaning changes. In the same manner, due to mutation, sudden change occur in organism, and that unit of mutation is the mutant. Then again we revise. Gene. What is gene? A part of DNA controlling specific character of individual is gene. Who coined the term gene? Johansson. What is factor? Something present in individual which control the character of individual is called as factor. Term coined by great father of genetics, Mendel. Cistern, that is unit of function. Recon, unit of recombination, which occur during the cell division, mainly during the reproduction or meiosis. Mutant, unit of mutation. Then term locus. Locus means position of gene on a chromosome is called as locus. Arrangement of gene, they are arranged linearly on the chromosome, and the gene, they are located on the chromosome. This is the eukaryotic nucleus. In next video, we will see the packaging of this chromatin material. Thank you.